Good PM. Today is December 28, 2023, Thursday, and here are the 3 PM Small Town Lottery Visayas result today. Here are the SL Square 3 PM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lac 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for Thursday, December 28, 2023. Here are the SL Square 3 PM result from Mandaue City under Piana Trading Supply Corporation for Thursday, December 28, 2023. Thank you for watching this 3 PM video for Thursday, December 28, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.